Finally, credit notes. When a customer returns goods on an invoice that NRS has already cleared, you do not edit it, that invoice is locked. You raise a credit note, and that credit note is sent to NRS too. First we need a cleared invoice, so we raise one and clear it, just as before. We bill not gate for 10 office chairs from stock, the chair already carries its tax code, and create it. We finalize it with a payment and clear it with NRS. The invoice is cleared and now locked. 2 of the chairs come back damaged, so we credit the customer for them. We click Credit Note. The credit note knows which invoice it belongs to. We write a reason, then a line for the 2 returned chairs at the same price, posting to sales revenue, with the same VAT. A credit note line uses your default tax code automatically, so there is nothing extra to classify. We save it as a draft. NRS only accepts an issued credit note, so first we apply it. This posts the accounting and reduces what the customer owes. Now we send the credit note to NRS, the same one-click clearance, referencing the original invoice. Cleared. The credit note now has its own NRS reference number, linked back to the invoice it credits. And here is the credit note as a PDF, carrying its NRS reference and QR code, the official, verifiable record that you returned this value to the customer. That completes E-Invoicing with NRS. Connect once, prepare your customers and items, and then every invoice and every credit note is cleared and verifiable in a single click.